In this video, we are going to discuss about moving averages and some theory behind the moving averages. So whenever you are using moving averages in the live market, you already know the some mathematical concepts and theory behind it. This is also important to cover the fundamental topic of the moving averages so that you can align with your study. Okay, so don't forget or don't skip this video. Now the first question is, what is the moving averages? Now if you see moving averages, whenever you apply moving averages, there are total two words like moving and average. Average, you already know what is meant by average. Now what is meant by moving? Suppose we are checking 1 minute time frame. Okay, 1 minute time frame, and our moving average value is 10. So what it means is, in the live market we can see the 10 1 minute candles frame, right? If moving average is equal to 10, then we need to check the 10 candles of each of 1 minute. Now how to calculate average? Each candlestick having its opening price and closing price, so need to record each candle closing price. So here our value is 10. So what we have now? 10 closing prices of moving averages, summation of 10 moving 10 candles, 1 minute candles, divided by how much numbers we are calculating? 10, because it's a formula for average, right? Divided by 10. So 10 closing price divided by 10 because total number of count. So that after calculating this much, we will get one value, and that value we are plotting into the chart, and this chart will move like this one, and it will create the line on chart. That's why it's called as moving averages. Now how to calculate moving averages? Suppose this is the first, second, up to this is the last candle. Now we are calculating one point and we are plotting one point here, okay, here. And what will happen when another 1 minute candle form here, which is the 11th one? So by default it will neglect, like we can forget this last candle, and we can calculate from the 2 to 11, and again we can calculate the average for these closing prices, and we can plot here. Again same thing will happen. If 12th candle will form, then we can neglect second, and we can calculate from the third candle to the 12th candle. So on an average we are sliding, like we are moving the window upside, like forward. For example, this is the 1 to 10. Now this is the window. Now this window will shift further as candle will form, like this one. Again this will shift further as candle move like this one. So whatever the calculation we are getting, we are plotting here. That's why we are getting, in the end we are getting one line. That's why it's called as moving averages. Hope this theory you got my point, and hope this theory is clear for you, right? Nothing serious. And how to plot it? No need to worry about it, because nowadays TradingView platform is already giving us the indicator called as moving average, and this moving average we can directly select, and that indicator will directly plot those values into our live market. So nothing to worry if you don't know the theory behind it. I'm explaining you theory, just you can play around the theory, and so that you will better understand the market. Hope you got my point. See you in the next video with some technical terms. Thank you.